welcome to our channel. Let's meet your teachers. We are the English team at Gyeonggi-do Institute for Global Education, aka GIGE. First, we have Sandra from the USA. Second, we have Van from South Africa. Third, we have Daniel from the USA. Fourth, we have Eric from the USA. And fifth, we have Lulu from South Africa. These are your 5 teachers. Now, let's take a look at the schedule. We upload English language content every other week on Tuesdays and Thursdays in our program called TTTT, which means Talking Together on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We will have a different English word, English expression, or English tip for you on those days. Here are some recommendations on how to use our videos. For beginners, you should watch the video and listen for the key word or key expression. Then you should learn and understand the highlighted keyword or expression. And you should also try to guess what else is happening in the video. For intermediate learners, you should watch the video with more attention to details. You should listen for the key word and key expression, and then learn the highlighted word or expression. You should also try to understand the situation in the video and understand more complex expressions or sentences. Optional activities for intermediate learners include summarizing the plot, describing a character's emotions or motivations, and making your own sentences using the key word or key expression. For our advanced learners, you should watch the video and critically analyze it. Listen for the key word or key expression. Learn the highlighted word or key expression if you're not already familiar with it. And try to listen and analyze for advanced expressions, such as idiomatic expressions. Optional activities for advanced learners include discussing the video theme, making connections from the video to your own experiences, and producing and presenting your own situation that includes the keyword or key expression. We hope our videos are able to connect to other topics that you learn in school, that we are able to teach you some new expressions, and that it helps you to review English you've learned in the past. Please subscribe to keep updated with our content, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.